Want the latest features and security on your Apple Watch Ultra 3? It starts with checking your current watchOS version. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap General, then About. Note the version number. On your watch, go to Settings, General, About, Software version. Before updating, ensure your watch is at least 50% charged and connected to Wi-Fi. This ensures the update process isn't interrupted. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is compatible with iPhones running iOS 18 or later. Updates are typically pushed automatically unless disabled in settings, but it's always good to make sure you're prepared. Ensure your Apple Watch Ultra 3 is charged and connected to your iPhone before starting the update process. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, navigate to General, then select Software Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. You may need to enter your iPhone passcode to proceed. Keep your watch on the charger during the entire process. The update takes between 30 and 60 minutes, and your watch will restart automatically. Avoid using your watch or iPhone during the update process to ensure it completes successfully. Once completed, your Apple Watch Ultra 3 will be running the latest watchOS, providing enhanced features and security. Remember, updating ensures seamless integration with your iPhone and access to the newest Apple features, like enhanced workout tracking and real-time translation from watchOS 12.